Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you simple homemade chocolate recipe. So let's see how to make that. Here I have 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. We need 1.5 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of honey. First I'm going to mix cocoa powder and melted butter together and going to make a thick paste. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of honey. Mix well. Once the chocolate batter is ready, you can check the taste, and if you feel that this is slightly bitter in flavor, you can add more honey and adjust the sweetness. So this chocolate batter is ready. Now we need to pour this into the chocolate mold. Before that, we need to slightly grease it with some butter. Fill it with the prepared chocolate batter. As an additional ingredient, you can add some finely chopped dry fruits and nuts. As an extra ingredient, here I am adding some finely chopped almonds. This is optional. So this is all set to go inside the refrigerator. Freeze it for 2 hours. After 2 hours, let's see how these chocolates turned out. So our homemade chocolates turned out really nice. I checked it, it is really good, but slightly different from the one what we buy from the shops and all. You can wrap it in an aluminium foil and store it inside the refrigerator. Once it reaches the room temperature, this will start to melt because butter is the key ingredient. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another video very soon. Until then, bye bye.